Once upon a time, in a world not unlike ours, I found myself ensnared in a warehouse, engulfed by towering heaps of electronic refuse. The monotony of my existence was shattered only by the divine intervention of success, pulling me closer, which frequented my mind, and I longed for salvation. Despair prowled around on my darkest days. I dared to yearn for liberation from the commonplace ocean of forsaken devices, and instead, eagerly sought to immerse myself in the exhilarating luminescence of entrepreneurship. But as with every tale of transformation, there were dragons to slay. I was ill-equipped, facing challenges akin to climbing a mountain with worn-out shoes. The task seemed impossible, the burden not just mine, but my family's too. Internally, I felt helpless, like a ship adrift in a storm. My world imploded when I lost my job, a final crushing blow. Yet, on the brink of defeat, a glimmer of hope appeared on the horizon. I stumbled upon a course on digital marketing. It served as my guide in the chaotic of information. It became my Bible, offering knowledge and insight. The change was tangible, enabling me to see chances where once lay hurdles. Using the insight I had just gained, I made a decisive choice. I took the plunge and embarked on an automation business venture. Even with my blueprint laid out, there was a significant barrier to tackle: my own self-doubt. The activity of being busy does not equate to productivity. Allow automation to handle the workload for you. There's no need to exhaust hours replying to a never-ending stream of emails, nurturing leads with fresh emails composed daily, or jumping from application to application, software to software in an attempt to engage with every lead that approaches you. With E1U, everything operates on autopilot. But as I've come to realize, every challenge is an opportunity in disguise. I decided to face my fears head-on and in 48 hours turned my situation around by earning my first $100. You're unhappy with where you currently are in life, and despite your best efforts, it seems like you're not getting ahead. You're working hard to achieve financial independence and the freedom that comes with it, and a more fulfilling life. To live life on your own terms is the ultimate aim you're striving towards. This achievement was more than just a victory for me. It sparked hope for others in similar situations. It inspired us to dream bigger, aim higher. With knowledge, determination, and courage, anyone can turn their life around. This journey transformed me. It guided me from a state of disheartenment to becoming a thriving digital marketer, instilling a strong sense of purpose. Ultimately, it paved the way for a better future for my family and serves as an inspiration for others. Now it's your turn to write your own success story. The path to financial and geographical freedom is right at your fingertips. The journey to becoming a digital nomad is filled with stumbling blocks, particularly with insincere mentors out to exploit you, but we're right here, providing a tried and tested blueprint for your new online venture, assisting at every turn. Hop on this journey towards from broke to $500 in just 48 hours. It worked for me, and it can too. Click the link below the video to join us for a risk-free opportunity. Let's start this journey together. But remember, success doesn't just happen. It's easy to get caught up in the planning, the dreaming, the strategizing. But the truth is, you can't expect to make money without taking action. It's not enough to just dream and plan. You have to act. Yes, the journey may be tough, the road may be rocky, and you may stumble along the way. But the rewards, the sense of fulfillment, and the financial freedom are worth it. So take that first step. Your journey to success starts with action.